I'm going to talk about the process and the principle of everything you touch turns to gold and how you can apply that to your Taboola Adsense businesses. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. So now this principle of everything turns to gold is the idea that you reach certain peak states or states where everything you touch just starts working out and you get into the flow state. That flow state is essential to create massive success, 6 figures, even more, multiple 6 figures and so on in your business, especially if you want to do it at speed. Now, the way you do it is by, obviously, there's certain principles you can apply to your mind to do this. There's principles such as no mind, where you clear your mind. There's principles such as focusing on the outcomes, which I've told you about. There's principles such as feeling good. All of these things I'm talking to you are things I do, are things you must do as well to create success in your business at scale and to create success even at the lower level. Some of my clients obviously are aiming for those 1,000 a month passive. Some of them are aiming for a lot more than that. And depending on the goal, the more you are in control of yourself and what you can focus on is this quicker and the faster you can speed up creating success with your Taboola Adsense businesses. So when you're in certain states, feeling good, focusing on the outcomes, you're able to execute clearly on certainty, which is the way of creating success. The certainty state is the successful state. So once you know you want to reach the state where you know the funnel, you know the campaign, you know the targeting, you know the CPC, you know the websites convert. Once you reach that state of success, then you execute and then you're able to create results like this that you see in front of you, which is successful, profitable, passive income campaigns that you will desire to create. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. So when you're in the peak state, when you're in the everything touches the gold state, that's just basically another way of saying you're feeling good and you know it's going to work and you know exactly what works. So when you launch the campaigns, you get the exact result you wanted to create and you desire to create. And that really, in a simplified way, is how to get into the flow state, how you can make everything you touch turn to gold and turn those profitable Taboola campaigns into passive income and profitable long-term 2x to 3x return on investment campaigns. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. Again, thank you for watching this video and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.